Hey everybody, welcome back to Pigeonpros. It's another video I'm sharing with you guys. This one's about roof leaks, how they happen. I just wanted to apologize on this video. I'm chewing gum. I forgot I was chewing gum when I did the video. It was raining. I didn't feel good. I lost my voice. I still don't feel good. I still have no voice. But I just want to make a quick apology and say I gotta show you guys this video anyway because it's good, and there's some stuff on there that you need to know. So here we go. Fast forward and get you to the part where I'm on the roof. Hey guys, it's Darren from Pigeonpros. I think it's time for me to do another roof leak video on how pigeons cause roof leaks, because this house I'm at, they just had a roof leak, and the roofer called, or the roofer told the homeowner to call us, see what we thought about it, because they couldn't find anything causing the leak. They said there's a pigeon problem, and they thought that if they just got rid of it, they probably wouldn't have a roof leak anymore, which is probably true. So the house across the street has pigeons galore. I might show you some stuff on that too, different video probably. Okay, so this house had a roof leak. It's been raining a lot here in Arizona, which surprisingly that's what it does in the winter. Oh, by the way, this hat right here, this is my pest control company, Greenbeard Pest Control. So if you need some bug spray, we do that. But if you're wondering why I'm wearing a Greenbeard hat instead of a Pigeonpros hat, that's why. Also, if you're wondering who I am, I'm wondering who I am when I'm looking at this video, because I don't have a beard, which is, my kids have never seen me without a beard. My youngest is 16, so I don't even know who this guy is that I'm looking at in the camera. But anyway, all right, back to the roof. Okay, so you see here just how much pigeon mess we got going on. A lot. It's thick. Okay, so this is the exact type of house that gets roof leaks all the time. If you look behind me, you see the pigeons are nesting up in there, and then the droppings are just constantly rolling out of the nest area, and they are hanging out below the nest area too. They're coming and going. They sit in the shade there when it's hot, but the droppings are just accumulating right there. So here it hasn't rained for months and months. Now it's winter time. All of a sudden the rains kick in, and then it's just going to push all these droppings up here to the front. You can see if you get a close look there. Okay, those droppings are still soaking wet from the rain like 3 days ago. On top of that, they dam up the water. So this area gets flat. You see how flat it is there. And when it's a massive rainstorm, all the water is coming down and hitting right here where the flashing is. And the droppings have moved up front, and they've made a dam. So this is going to be a lake when it's raining hard. It could be a foot deep, who knows? But the roof is flat, and it needs to drain off quickly. And when the drain is plugged with a dam of pigeon droppings, in this case, my guess there's probably 50 pounds of droppings sitting right here. Then you're gonna get a roof leak, and it has nothing to do with a hole in your underlayment or your tiles not being in the right place. It's just the water is now deeper on your roof than it was ever meant to be. It's higher on this little wall right here than it should ever get, and it just seeps through, and it just basically overflows the flashing, which is underneath that stucco right there, and it gets in the house and it causes a roof leak. So Anyway, then what does everybody do? They call Pigeonpros, or they call a roofer, and then the roofer repairs it, and then Pigeonpros come. I just fixed a house a couple days ago. Same exact scenario. I've done video on this before, but I just thought it was worth revisiting. Like, this is how pigeons cause roof leaks, and you should call Pigeonpros. Yeah, it might cost these guys $600 or $1,000, but I promise you a roof leak is more expensive. On top of that, when you call your homeowner's insurance and you say, hey, I had a roof leak, and they come out and they inspect, when they see this, you should know insurance companies are going to say, hey, we don't insure against pigeons. You should have got those birds off the roof, and since you didn't, we're not going to cover this claim. And then you end up paying. And a lot of times these roof leaks cost thousands and thousands of dollars, maybe $10,000. You don't know, but it's not cheap to get your roof repaired and to get roof leaks fixed when they wreck all the drywall and they cause mold and damage in your attic, and you gotta get new insulation. It's expensive. So do it the right way. Just get rid of your pigeons before the roof leak, or just you're gonna face the music, and it's no fun for anybody. So again, take a quick look. Just had a roof leak yesterday and the day before. So don't be this person. Call Pigeonpros.